So good evening to all. Hope you're doing great. So in this video, we'll be discussing about IRFC share. So we know that today it has posted the Q4 result and it has given some very good numbers. So we'll try to compare on quarter basis and year on year basis how the stock has performed. And in the same way, we'll also go to the technical charts to find out the next possible levels. So before that, if you're new to the channel, then definitely subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon to get instantly notified, and do join the Telegram group so that you'll not miss any instant updates followed by any stocks for short term followed by long term. I'm trying to update in Telegram, so I'll provide link in the comment section. Okay, so moving towards the quarter result of IRFC. So we know this particular stock, when we discussed earlier, near the 21-22 rupees region. So at that point of time also the stock was consolidating, but in between it has given some very good momentum. So today also we have seen almost 2.2% positive movement. For the reason is because of the quarter result it has posted. So very good increment is present. So clearly you can see that. So first discussing about total revenue, you can see if you compare quarter on quarter basis also a very good increment is present. And the same way if you see total income, so that has also rose, and you can see this quarter income was roughly around 44,550. And the same way if we go to the expenses also, they have also maintained at a steady rate. And coming to most important thing, that is profit before tax. So quarter on quarter basis, profit before tax has also increased. So I've posted the numbers in Telegram also. So let's see there so that we'll have the complete clarity. Okay, so when the quarter result was declared, I have posted in the Telegram group itself. So there you can see the net profit it has reported is almost around 14.83 billion rupees versus earlier year. If you try to compare, it was only 6.54 billion. So year on year basis also very good increment. And if you see this particular quarter, as I told, it has given almost 10.5 billion. And the same way if you see the Q4 revenue, that has almost increased very well year on year basis as well. So last year you can see it was only 32, but this year we have seen almost 44.54, followed by this particular quarter we have seen 39.32. Okay, so these are the results. So major concern should be profit revenue. These are the major concern. So since overall the result is pretty good, so now let's try to compare how the deliveries are being taken, and then we'll switch over to the technical charts. Okay, so when we see the day-to-day wise deliveries in IRFC, so you can see on 28th June, we have seen 51.5% deliveries, and the stock has given only 0.2% positive momentum. So this particular stock is known for huge consolidation, but already I told you, so this is a long-term stock. So once you're invested, so just you need to forget about it. So on regular basis, we know results will be declared, and if any update comes related to dividend, so again we know it gives almost around 1 rupee, okay, dividend per share. So that is also very important thing. So now I think it's not yet confirmed by the management also. If it is confirmed in that particular range only, it tries to declare. So again, in this way you will have some benefit, so directly it will be credited into your bank account. And in the same way, not much volatile stock, even if you invest in heavy quantities, so majorly you will not have any sort of loss. So this is one advantage. And the same way in long term, we know it has little potential, but it is time consuming. So it tests our patience basically. So once you're invested, just leave it for long term. So in that way, if we see, it has given some very good consolidation earlier also, and very good accumulation was present. So this is the basic delivery analysis. So now let's go to chart. So that is going to be very important. Okay, so now we are back on to the technical charts of IRFC, and you can see today it has performed a little in moderate way. You can see only 2.2% positive movement, but it has showed some very good momentum today. It has almost approached 26 rupees region. So from there it has started correcting. So these are the levels that were discussed earlier also. So this is weekly chart time frame. So clearly you can see this particular region, especially 26.22, is placing a very strong resistance for IRFC. So whenever it is trying to approach that particular region, we are seeing some continuous correction. So already you can see here also, when it has approached in that particular zone, it has faced the same amount of correction. So today also from the top, little bit of selling was present, so little profit booking has happened. So many people have booked the profit near the top region. So because why? Obviously because it was not giving any momentum. So in this particular region, many people have entered and their funds were trapped, so they have started exiting. So that is one of the reason why today we have seen the selling pressure from the top. But I can tell you, once you're investing in decent quantity, so just leave it. It is time consuming stock, but since it provides little bit of dividend and that's kind of stuff, so you'll have some extra income apart from because much risk is not present. So that is one major thing. So coming to the next support region, you need to focus is 24.85. So still till when it remains above that particular region, so that till that time we can say that the stock will remain in that particular zone itself. And resistance wise, this 26.22 is going to be very important. So this is on weekly chart time frame. So let's go to 1-day chart, followed by, if you see money flow index, so that is still near the 70. So it has not entered any overbought region, so it may go further depending upon the movement. Okay, so moving further towards daily chart time frame, you can see here the same levels. One is 26.22, followed by we have 24.85. So these levels you need to focus very well. In that particular region, we also have the pivot resistance. So once it crosses that particular region, so then definitely we can expect some very good momentum. And in the same way, if you see the money flow index in daily chart time frame is around 62, so that is also in the mid range. And if this particular region, especially 26, if it crosses that, definitely then only we can expect some very good momentum. So till that time, again it will try to consolidate. So these are the basic levels. So many people had doubts regarding IRFC. Hope levels are clear. So further, if you're having any doubt, you can message me in the comment section, and also you can connect with me in Instagram. Instagram ID is StocksDairyYT. So until then, stay safe, take care, bye bye.